The ancient Greeks believed that rubbing mint on their arms would make them stronger. Mint was initially used to relieve stomach aches and chest problems. As a medicinal plant, traditional medicine has numerous applications, and early study indicates that it may be useful in treating irritable bowel syndrome. Many cosmetics and perfumes include menthol, derived from mint, essential oil, menthol, and mint essential oils, are also utilized in aromatherapy, which may have medicinal applications for reducing post-surgical nausea. Mint contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. Its relaxing properties, as well as its lack of sugar and other chemicals, making it a healthy option for the majority of individuals. Mint can help with practically all stomach disorders. Menthol has antiseptic and antibacterial characteristics that help reduce indigestion and calm an upset stomach. It is high in antioxidants and phytonutrients, which aid in the digestion of food by enzymes. Peppermint may relieve digestive symptoms, such as gas, bloating and indigestion. Mint is also known to relieve stomach cramps, and to aid with gastric reflux and flatulence. Mint has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. It is a wonderful relaxant and reliever. Mint has traditionally been used to alleviate congestion in the nose, throat, bronchi, and lungs. Mint's anti-inflammatory effects soothe the discomfort produced by persistent coughing. In addition to the respiratory channels,